In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Clickup as a CRM. To get started, open Clickup and go to the Overview area of your workspace. This is the best place to begin because it gives you a clean, high-level entry point before you dive into specific lists and views. Once you are on Overview, look toward the upper area of your Clickup interface and click Templates. Templates are useful because they let you set up a complete CRM structure without building everything from scratch. This saves time and helps you follow a proven layout. Inside the Templates section, find and select Sales and CRM. This category includes ready-made setups designed for tracking accounts, managing relationships, and keeping sales activity organized in a way that is easy to review later. Next, click the highlighted CRM template you want to use. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing one that fits the way you want to manage accounts, since the template will create the core folders, lists, and views for you. Now click Use Template. You will see another Use Template confirmation step. Click Use Template again to complete the setup and add it into your workspace. After this finishes, Clickup will generate the CRM space for you, including the views you will use to manage accounts. Once the template is installed, locate and click Accounts by Health. This view is helpful because it groups accounts in a way that makes it easier to see status at a glance. After you open it, click the highlighted area shown in the view so you can focus on the account data and navigate the layout more comfortably. Next, switch to the Board view by clicking Board. The board format is especially useful for CRM work because it lets you visually scan accounts and move through categories quickly. After the board loads, click the highlighted area shown on the board to center your attention on the main columns and cards. Then click Account Hub Repository. This is the main location where account records are organized, so it is a key place to know when you are managing or reviewing accounts. From there, click Unassigned Accounts to view accounts that are not yet owned or allocated. Finally, click My Accounts to jump to the accounts that are assigned to you, so you can focus on your active relationships and priorities. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.